Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Park Study MCQs Part 18. The name of the fourth kalma is, answer is Kalma Tawheed. The name of the fourth kalma is Kalma Tawheed. Tomb of Babur is in which city? Kabul. Tomb of Babur is in which city? Kabul. The interim government was formed in 1946. Who was the Prime Minister? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. The interim government was formed in 1946. Who was the Prime Minister? Jawaharlal Nehru. The federal government established Third Coal Authority in which year? Answer is 2018. The federal government established Third Coal Authority in which year? Answer is 2018. When Balochistan state became a part of the West Pakistan? Answer is 14th October 1955. When Balochistan state became a part of the West Pakistan? Answer is 14 October 1955. The Noor Mahal is located in. Answer is Bahawalpur. The Noor Mahal is located in. Answer is Bahawalpur. The highest civil award is. Answer is Nishan-e Pakistan. The highest civil award is. Answer is Nishan-e Pakistan. Where the Cunningham Clock Tower is situated? Answer is Peshawar. Where the Cunningham Clock Tower is situated? Peshawar. Working boundary is the border between Pakistan and Indian occupied Kashmir. Working boundary is the border between Pakistan and Indian occupied Kashmir. National flag of Pakistan was designed by Amiruddin Kidwai. National flag of Pakistan was designed by Amiruddin Kidwai. Who was appointed first secretary of the Board of Trustees of Aligarh College? Answer is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Who was appointed first secretary of the Board of Trustees of Aligarh College? Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Which of the following air company was first to operate in Pakistan? Orient Airways. Which of the following air company was the first to operate in Pakistan? Orient Airways. National predator of Pakistan is. Answer is snow leopard. National predator of Pakistan is snow leopard. Basic democracy system came in dash. Answer is May 1959. Basic democracy system came in May 1959. MNA stand for Member of National Assembly. MNA stand for Member of National Assembly. KP stand for Province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. KP stand for Province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. When did the first general election in Pakistan take place? Answer is 1970. When did the first general elections in Pakistan take place? Answer is 1970. The voter turnout was dash percent in the 1988 general elections. Answer is 43. The voter turnout was dash percent in the 1988 general elections. Answer is 43. 43%. Where is Al Khair University? AJK. Where is Al Khair University? AJK. Which city of Pakistan receives highest mean annual rainfall? Answer is Murree. Which city of Pakistan receives highest mean annual rainfall? Murree. Dargi Pass connects Mardan with Malakand. Dargi Pass connects Mardan with Malakand.